Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to show a pop-up when the user is navigating away from the web page. So I have an HTML page here, and when I click on this link, I want to show a pop-up that whether you want to leave this page or not. Typically, you would have a form, and if the form is uh, if the user has filled the form, then you would want to show that pop-up. But in this case, just for the demo purpose, I will show the pop-up when the user clicks on this link. So the first step is I will add the script tag here, and I will do window dot on before unload, and I would assign this a function, and this function would return a string. So if you're returning a string, it means that whatever browser it is, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, it will show a pop-up. So if I type XYZ, or if I type ABC, or if I type are you sure, the browser will show a pop-up with its default language. In the past, a lot of people have misused this window.on before unload and tried to use it for hacking. And that is the reason why we cannot change the language of the pop-up. And if you return a string, the browser will display a pop-up with its default language. So now let's try it out. So I will save this and then we will run this on Chrome. If I click on this link, or if I try to navigate away from this page by providing a URL here or by just reloading this page, I should get a pop-up. So let's click on this link. And as you can see here, we got the pop-up. Now let's try another browser. Let's try Firefox. Now in Firefox, let's try reloading it, the page. And when I try to reload this page, I got this pop-up. And if you see, the pop-up language and the way it looks is different than what you see in Chrome. So it totally depends upon the browser on how they want to present this pop-up to the user. Let's try Edge, and here if I click on this link, I got a pop-up like this. So we saw that if the user navigates away from the web page, irrespective of whether user clicks this URL or not, the pop-up is shown. I hope you find this video useful, and in the next video, I will share another useful tip with you all.